Welcome back to the channel, y'all. I hope y'all are having a good day, because I know that I am having a good day today. So to wrap up the President's Day holiday period, I was off work today. Real quick, if you enjoyed the intro, you enjoyed the montage, a little cinematic clip, please go ahead and smash that thumbs up, because it helps the channel out, and I know you guys are gonna love this video. Okay, so what happened? Well, long story short, we mounted the wheels to the truck. Now I'm not gonna talk in the camera, like, you're not gonna see my face for long, because I know y'all want to see the truck. Okay, so I'm gonna just end it off here saying thank you guys for checking out the channel, and like always, comment down below if you enjoyed the video. Tell me what you think. Everything, whatever it is, I don't care. I'm gonna talk about a lot of stuff here in this video, so sit back, enjoy, and thanks for watching. Whew. All right, you guys, so we got the wheels mounted just like you saw it earlier in the video. Everything went smooth. If you guys were wondering, which some of you might have not known from the previous video, reason why we didn't mount the wheels as soon as we got them was because of a couple issues with the wheels. Got taken care of, and in conjunction, I was waiting on the center cap for the wheel, for one of them, because it came broke. And then also on my back passenger side hub, I had to change out two lug nut studs, because they were the old ones. One was broke and the other one was stripped. Super easy, took like 30 minutes. But yeah, this is it, man. And man, this thing looks good. Let y'all get a look at that. You guys see why I started doing the bumper, the tail lights? Like, it's coming together, and we're not even done yet. That's the, oh god dang it, phone call. Okay, we're back. So like I was saying, you guys, we're not even done yet. And you're probably saying, Cam, you can't, like, what more do you want to do? And it's like, I have little things, you know what I'm saying? Like, I want to swap out, and right now it looks really good. The black Cummins emblem with the black door handles, it clashes like spot on, just like the grill, how I have the black inserts on the grill and down there is black. Like, right now it looks really good, and I'm actually digging it. So I don't know where we're going from here, man. I really don't, but we're definitely looking at painting the door handles. But I might leave them, because it contrasts so well with the truck right now. Like, if it was white handles, it'd just be a white blur with the chrome badges. But I mean, man, it just looks so good right now. But man, you guys, I've been waiting for this since December, man. Actually longer. I've been wanting forged wheels pretty much since I bought this truck. But it looks good. Now, why I have my bottles here, all right? So the reason why I got two bottles is because I ended up polishing the wheels by hand once I finished washing the truck. I didn't record anything because it was just taking way too long, and you know, I've been out here probably for about 7-8 hours messing around with the truck and stuff. But this front wheel here, and this stuff came in today, like perfect timing. As soon as I got done with the truck, the mail lady came and dropped off both of these. Front wheel, I use Zephyr's Pro 40. I know I asked you guys a while back asking which one's Zephyr's or Renegade Rebel Pro, and I use Zephyr's Pro 40 on the front. And I mean, this thing looks good, man. It looks real good, man. Yeah, I know I got a little water there, freaking, you know, I blew it out and everything. Water still drips out from the center cap, I can't help it. And then back here I used the Rebel Red metal polish, and then this is how it looks. This looks really good too. That water, man, that water's gonna be the death of me right there. I can't, oh my goodness. And it drips right down there. So I use this here. Now, for which one I prefer, to be honest with you guys, you might not be able to tell on camera, but that wheel has a slight shine advantage on it. I don't know if it's because maybe that wheel got made differently or what, but that wheel definitely has a nice pop and shine to it versus the rear wheel. Now don't get me wrong, it still looks amazing, but it's just a little bit more on that side. The biggest difference I noticed between Rebel Red and Zephyr's Pro 40 was Zephyr's came off like pretty easy. It came off like wax. They say you can let it haze up, and they say you can leave it on for an hour or a day, it'll still come off the same way. I did notice, because the way I did it was I applied it to this wheel first, to Zephyr's, then while that was curing, I came back here and applied the Rebel Red, then I went back to the front. By the time I came back to the front, it was ready to get wiped off, maybe about 3 minutes later. And then by the time I finished wiping this wheel off, probably about 5 minutes later, came over here, it was a little bit harder. It was a little harder to remove. But that shine though in the barrel, man, I mean, I wish the camera can pick it up. I feel like it can't. Maybe it will once I edit the video, but you see right there where my fingers blurred at, right there, okay, But then when I come over here and I look at this pocket, look at the reflection in the barrel. You know what I'm saying? Like just that little bit, you know, and it looks so good, y'all, man. My neighbor was walking down the street. He does his little daily walks, just, you know, to be healthy. And he had to stop over here and like stare at him for a little bit because he was just so blown away by the way the wheels looked, and he loved it. He said, I love it. Shit, man, I would never have thought this truck would look like this, man. It just goes to show, man, hard work pays off. And then this side, for polish, I use Zephyr's Pro 40 on both of these wheels. They look amazing. That back wheel has an immaculate shine to it, man. And both of the polishes have a sealant in them, so when it rains or gets wet, like this is gonna piss me off, man. I swear, that right there, it's gonna drive me crazy. But anyways, yes, they have a sealant in it, so when it rains and stuff, it's supposed to not leave watermarks. So we'll find out. I'm gonna be experimenting a lot more between the Zephyr's Pro 40 and the Renegade's Rebel Red. I also do have a big bottle of the Renegade's Rebel Red, like heavy cut. I don't know what it's called, but it's supposed to be a heavy cutting wheel polish, and I actually used some of it before. Yeah, so we got Rebel Red Pro Red heavy cut. This is supposed to cut through some serious stuff right here. I actually ended up using it on the inside of the wheel barrels, like on the inside of the wheel, because it had a bunch of spots on it and marks from shipping and stuff. That was one of the issues we had. You guys remember, if you don't know what I'm talking about, go back to that video. I put a little card up in the corner so you can click on that and check out the video when I received the wheels, and I show you everything that I didn't like about it. For the most part, I got like all of that stuff off of it. Anything noticeable is on the inside of the wheel, but it's not even that big of a deal. But man, it's boy, this thing, know it looks good, man. I'm telling y'all, it is going to rain. It's actually going to rain for like the next 3 days, and people, I'm sure people were driving by looking at me wash this thing knowing that it was going to rain, but I don't care, because I could not have put these wheels on this truck with the truck looking the way it looked. Because if you saw at the beginning, it was filthy, man. I had mud and stuff from hunting like 3 weeks ago still on the truck, man. It's been sitting on jacks, stuff's been just coming down on it, so I had to get her looking right, man. This is the only way you can introduce wheels like this onto a truck like this, man. And you guys, I feel like I got a new truck almost. Like I legitimately feel like I got a new truck. It's ridiculous. And this is one of those things where I tell people and I tell myself, you don't need a new truck all the time. You know what I'm saying? You really don't. You just need to refresh it, change it up, mix it up, you know. I went from 20 by 12s, 22 by 14s, now 24 by 14s. I went from 35s to 37. Actually, really, I went from 33s, 35s, and then the 37s. It just depends, man. It really does. But yeah, and you know, and by doing a switch up on the truck, man, I mean, you can make a truck look different. You know, we painted the bumper, we did the custom tail lights. I mean, even the black emblem back here, like, you guys tell me what you think. Like, this black emblem back here, like, it looks like it goes well with the truck. Like, it's not sticking out like a sore thumb, you know what I'm saying? Like, I thought it was gonna be all awkward looking, but it actually blends really good. I'm actually liking it right now, but I kind of want the chrome badges just a little more. But oh man, you guys, I'm decided to go ahead and turn on the lights on her, see what she looks like glowing. Got the cab lights on. A couple people were asking me about my cab lights, where'd I get them from? Amazon, like 35 bucks. They don't leak, they still work. I'm good with them. I know Recon got some for probably like 500 bucks, but I'm good. Man, telling y'all, man. And if y'all curious about how my tail lights are doing, I just finished washing the truck. No water, no condensation. Same thing on this side. Just finished washing it. Looks nice and dry. Excellent. So we're doing it, man. We're doing good. But you guys, I'm gonna let y'all be the judge. Tell me what y'all think. You know, I really would love to hear y'all opinion. This is just so exciting. I figured it'd only be right. First startup in I want to say over a week, maybe 8-9 days. Got her running. Haven't cranked her up in a minute. Woo! That's it, baby. That's it. She cranked up like nothing, really. We sitting pretty, y'all. We sitting pretty. No more camper shell. Swapped out the wheels. Man, that's crazy what a set of wheels will do to a truck, man. I'm telling y'all, man. If you got a truck and you're like, man, I'm bored, I want to get a new truck, I want to upgrade, and the truck treats you good, like you don't have issues with it, you just want something newer because you're bored, change it up, man. Like, change it up legitimately. You know, get some wheels, get some tint, maybe change up the color scheme. You can definitely do a lot with a truck, man. And I didn't change my truck. This is my fourth time changing the look on my truck. The first time I won't really count it, so technically 3, because the first one was the way I got it. It had like some ugly ass 20-inch chrome wheels on it. It looked like some old man did, but I mean, it counts, I guess. But I mean, do it, man, do it, you know? Hell yeah. Listen to that axle dump. I gotta get me a sticker made for the back for my YouTube channel. Gotta get over with my boy Adrian. Man. It just clashes so well. And I haven't heard that sound in so long. It sounds so good right now. Alright, you guys, so sorry, last time for real. This time we're gonna go ahead and wrap the video up. If you enjoyed the video, if you enjoyed seeing the truck, the 3rd gen, the Mega Slam, the Beast, if you enjoyed seeing it, smash that thumbs up because it really helps out the channel. I appreciate it a lot. Would you look at that there? But but it looks good, man. It's good. It's all good in the hood. But yeah, until next time, man. So the video that should be coming up soon should be the long arms getting installed, if everything goes right. Maybe with a little extra something getting installed too on the truck. If you think you know what it is, drop that comment down below. We will be going back over to full send diesel and checking out my man Kevin. He actually just bought a 4th gen. I was texting him, talking to him about that. So I know you guys been using the promo code he gave for the channel. So good stuff, good stuff. So until next time, take it easy, be safe, and